Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
As far as the two-third majority, as per the 10th schedule, they have qualified, no doubt about it. But the rest of the things that needs proper examination so that due course of action will be taken.
Since they have qualified, now is it the right moment for the Assembly Secretariat or the whole Assembly to recognize this new split party as the principal opposition of the State Assembly?
I have no comment right now as far as that thing is concerned. I will examine the matter, ensure that all steps taken by my office from here will be as per the Constitution.
How many days usually it takes for such acceptance?
No, for others I have nothing to say. There's no word mention about the specific time that has to be taken. But whatever needs to be done, that will be done at the earliest.
New split party will also claim as the opposition party in the Assembly. What is the strength to claim the leader of opposition post?
That part is concerned as I think it's not relevant at this juncture. It will be premature for me to say on that. First of all, as I have mentioned, that the letter which I received yesterday, that is the first step that I have received. Second is that they have present today, physically all 12 of them. And now, since they've just left just now, so I need some time to examine the matter and to communicate to them accordingly.
So there's no question of anti-defection or being examined in place?
No, that's what I'm saying. As of now, I cannot see anything as far as that is concerned.
No, since you
What it appears that, which demands 2/3, so that somehow I could see that it is justified for them that they can move out. But even then, I will examine the matter thoroughly and take necessary. It will be premature for me to say anything right now as far as that part is concerned. Unless I come to a conclusion about the decision that I'm going to take as far as the letter is concerned, I think it will not be wise for me to say anything right now.
So likely how many days will it take to complete this?
As I have said, I will not be specific for any number of days, but at the earliest I will ensure that is done as per the rules. To ensure that they have merged with the All India Tribunal Congress. One can't just say that I have joined, but if they have not accepted or they have not welcomed them as members of the Congress party, then there is where we have to look into again.
Whether that particular person also has to appear in person?
No. We have received a letter. I can always tell you that they are 12 members from the Congress party. So they have defect from the Congress party and merged with the All India Tribunal Congress. That is the letter, unsigned by them. That's all. It's a simple letter.
Exercise that was done by the Honorable Speaker, and then we have completed the whole procedural exercise. So we are privileged to have an audience on time, and we are thankful to that.
So, sir, has the Speaker accepted the mergers?
See, laid down procedure is there. So hopefully the whole exercise as per the laid procedure will be completed by the Honorable Speaker based on his the whole exercise of following the procedure as per what is required to conform with the provision which is again provided under the relevant powers of the 10th schedule of the Constitution of India. Okay, it's like that.